Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar channel is amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Simple little juice, mango, and also coconut with ginger, lemon, and a little bit of water. Good to go. Enjoy the recipe, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend to a friend. We got a lot more recipe for you guys. I love you all, and I will see you with the most important recipe in the world. Nice, I love it. So this one gonna be a very simple, quick one. All right, we got some mango. This is some leftover mango which I have. I bought some mango at the supermarket, have it left over, and I said, you know, just gonna make some smoothie with it. All right, so we got mango inside of it. We'll have some fresh mint which we're gonna put inside of it. Not too much fresh mint, just a little piece of fresh mint. Gonna put a little piece of ginger for flavor. Alright, and then next I'm gonna show you some secret recipe where you guys can do this at home, and I know you will love it. Piece of a ginger inside of it. Then we got half of a lemon. I'm just gonna remove the skin from the lemon, which is very important. Alright, so once you remove the skin from the lemon, let's put the lemon straight inside of it, just like that. And also I have this is some coconut which I have peel and cut up already, which I brought at the supermarket. Gonna pop it straight inside of it like that. Then we're gonna pop roughly a little bit of water inside of it, roughly about 1/4 cups of water inside of it. Also, if you don't mind, you can put a little piece of cucumber for some color inside of it also. Now we're gonna go to the blending section. You can put either honey or you can leave it natural like that. But I'm just gonna be leaving natural because sometimes it doesn't good for too much sweetness inside of your immune system. It's just nice to just keep it real and simple. So now we're gonna be blending this about 3 to 4 seconds like this. And we all know that coconut is good for us. Lovely and nice. Lovely. So, you see? Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Very good smoothie. And not only that, I do love this blender because it just, oh man, this is beautiful. Look at that. That's a proper mango coconut smoothie. Alright, so please enjoy the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave in your comments in the description box. It is very important for us, guys, when you're clicking the bell just to get that perfect notification. Alright, so we got the coconut and also mango, ginger, lemon, and piece of a cucumber inside of it. Amazing recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. Very easy recipe for you to make at home. See you next time. Bye bye.